Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some Oreo milkshake in my kitchen. This contest for the best Oreo shake ends right here. This thick Oreo milkshake is a classic, easy recipe that everyone loves and is made with just 3 ingredients. This sweet treat is a hit with the whole family on a hot day. So if you want to try this at home, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Let's get this started. These are all the ingredients you will need to make your Oreo milkshake. Over here, I've got my whole milk. I love me some whole milk when making my milkshake. Some ready whipped cream, and I'm just using this to garnish my milkshake. My Nesquik chocolate syrup. You also need a blender. And I'm gonna go in with my ice cream. You could use whatever ice cream of your choice. And my Oreos. So to my blender, I'm going in with my ice cream. And I'm just adding me like 4 to 5 scoops of my ice cream. OMG, look at all of this niceness. I cannot wait to dig in. To all of that niceness, I'm going in with roughly 2 cups of milk. If you're a huge fan of Oreo, let me know in the comment section because your girl over here loves her some Oreo. OMG, I cannot wait to taste my milkshake. So in my Ziploc bag, I'm going in with 7 Oreos. I'm not just going to add them whole to my blender just like that. I'm going to use my spoon and I'm just going to beat them so I could get them in some smaller bits. Okay, guys, I don't want to ruin my blender. So yes, this is another easy way to just break them up, add it straight to your blender. Alrighty, guys, I had all my ingredients to my blender, my ice cream milk and my Oreo, and we are going to let the blending process begins. We are going to blend this for 5 to 6 minutes until everything is smooth and is looking really nice. Guys, this is a must try in your kitchen because this right here is everything. Look at all of this niceness, guys. And voila, here goes my Oreo milkshake. Milkshake to perfection. Look at all of this niceness, smooth and it's looking really good. Take a closer look, guys. At this point, guys, I'm going to coarsely chop 3 of my Oreo cookies to use as garnish, and then I'm just going to set it aside until we reach to that point. Alrighty, guys. So at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of my chocolate syrup, and I'm just going to drizzle it on my glass. Just like that. Just take your time. Alright, that's for that. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. A moment of silence, guys, and just take a look at all of this niceness going into my glass container. The presentation of my chocolate syrup on the side of the glass is everything, guys. This leaves me super speechless. Cannot wait to dig in. Topping it off with some of my whipped cream. You cannot go wrong without some whipped cream on top of this niceness. OMG, this looks super official. Let me know in the comment section how much you would rate this video, because this right here is everything. This is a 10 out of 10 video, guys. Wow. Topping it off with some of my crushed Oreos on top. OMG. Topping it off with my Oreo cookie on top. Ooh la la. These babies right here looks like when you order a milkshake from in the restaurant or in a bar. These right here look super lit. OMG, these are dope. Wow. Oreo milkshake, guys. You can't resist it. It is super good. And there you have it, guys, my Oreo milkshake to perfection. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. And also, guys, please do not forget to try it out in your kitchen and let me know how yours turn out to be. I want to know how it tastes, guys. Let me know the honest feedback. And also, guys, please let me know if you like this recipe. Just let me know in the comment section what you think or how much you would rate this video. My husband and I went in on these babies. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Stay prayed up, continue drinking your water to stay hydrated, and see you guys soon. Stay safe out there, guys. The DJ family love each and every one of you. Bye, guys.